Why do 80% of small businesses use WhatsApp? Because it's quick, easy, and effective. Let's dive in. First up, you need a verified business phone number and the WhatsApp Business app. Head to Google Play or the Apple App Store, search for WhatsApp Business, and hit download. Now, open the app, tap Agree and Continue, and enter your business phone number. Verify it through SMS or a call. Easy peasy. Next, create a killer business profile. Add your business name, logo, and a short description. Include your address and hours if you'd like. Time to set up your profile. Tap the three dots in the top right corner. Go to Business Settings and add your business categories, email and website. Optional. Link to Facebook Business Manager for more features. Tap Settings, then Facebook, and log in to connect your account. Finally, verify your business. Enter the code sent to your phone. And you're all set. Optional. Want to set up payments? Go to Business Settings, then Payments, and add your method. That's it. You're now ready to use WhatsApp Business to connect with customers and grow your business. Get started today.